These are the best 3 beginner books you can read as a writer. First one, Adventures of Huckleberry Finn by Mark Twain is a classic novel following the young Huck and a runaway slave named Jim who is on a journey down the Mississippi River. They face challenges, moral dilemmas, and societal hypocrisy in pre-Civil War America, making it a timeless exploration of freedom, racism, and individual conscience. If you like political literature, you can live this tale through the eyes of Huck Finn. Second one, The House on Mango Street by Sandra Cisneros. The House on Mango Street portrays the life of Esperanza, a young Latino in the Chicago neighborhood. Through a series of vignettes, it delves into her coming of age journey, aspiration, reflections on identity, home, and societal constraints, highlighting themes of culture, gender, and self-identity. If you miss your childhood, you can relive your life through the eyes of Esperanza. Third one, And There Were None by Agatha Christie. And There Were None by Agatha Christie is one of the best mystery novels there is. 10 strangers are invited on an island, and each one is accused of a past crime. As they start to die one by one, suspicion and fear mounts. The survivor must uncover the killer among them before it's too late. I love this book especially because I never saw who the killer was or never could guess it. But if you consider yourself as a young detective, maybe you can take up the challenge. That's it for today. Like and follow Archie Clan for more such writing and reading tips.